This is what the Holy Land looked like in the middle of the last century. Historical images from the films produced by the Custody of the Holy Land between 1948 and the 70s. These now deteriorated originals have been given a new lease of life thanks to the restoration and digitisation carried out by Cineteca di Milano on behalf of the Holy Land Foundation. A total of 37 titles with an average running time of between 9 and 20 minutes. Christmas in Bethlehem, also available on YouTube, takes us back to Christmas 1954, when the city was still under Jordanian control.
Gli stessi musulmani offrono spontaneamente il loro entusiasmo e il loro servizio d'onore al bambino. Tutti oggi sono presi dal fascino del grande mistero.
Rituals and traditions remain unchanged, such as the playing of bagpipes, now entrusted to the scouts, the solemn entrance of the Patriarch and his welcome to the square in front of the Basilica of the Nativity, the greetings to the authorities and the entrance into the Basilica in procession with the friars.
L'argentea stella dei Latini segna il luogo dove fu posto quel neonato che commosse le stelle.
And today, as then, after the night mass, the brothers go down to the grotto of the Nativity to lay the child.
Qui lo videro i pastori, qui lo rivelò la stella, qui fu adorato dai magi, qui gli angeli cantarono gloria nel più alto dei cieli.
Crusaders Without Arms was made in 1955 with professional equipment and tells the story of the Franciscans in the Holy Land.
Ma un secolo non era trascorso dalla conquista del Santo Sepolcro che la potenza cristiana crollava per le discordie e le ambizioni dei principi. È allora che un uomo semplice, senza scorta e senza armi, ricco solo di fede e di entusiasmo, osa realizzare un antico sogno. Umile nello strano saio, con le mani nude ed i piedi scalzi, Francesco affronta gli armati saraceni e lo stesso sultano. Lo affascina, lo conquista e gli strappa il consenso per sé e per i suoi frati di vivere in quella terra benedetta.
The films are high-level amateur, often produced by semi-professional directors. They were initially intended for a limited audience, but have also been used in catechesis and promotion of the Holy Land, helping to spread the message and the grace of the holy places.